Good day, viewers. My name is Ibrahim Mohammed Majidadi. I'm your co-host on the Legal Platform. And on this episode of the Legal Platform, I will be taking you summarily on general compliance. What is compliance? Compliance are a set of rules, procedures, payments that any company, business is mandated, required to comply with and abide by. Before you operate any company or business in Nigeria, you need to register with the Corporate Affairs Commission, which in turn issues you a registration number and the certificate. After securing the registration with the Corporate Affairs Commission, the next step is for a company or business to secure a place, a physical place to operate from. After securing a place of business, that's where your compliance starts, because by law you are expected as an occupier of any of an environment or building to make tenement rate payments, to make environmental waste fees, which are used to maintain the environment for you, to have a habitable environment. Furthermore, as a business, whatever sector you might be in either the agricultural sector, the aviation sector, the banking, the construction, consultancy, professional, mining, oil and gas, telecommunication, tourism, entertainment, whatever sector you might be, each of these sectors has specific compliance that businesses in that sector are to meet up with. But they are compliance that are generally applicable to every sector. First of all, we have the environment in the Industrial Training Fund. The Industrial Training Fund, under its law, each employer of labor is compelled to make contributions of a certain amount to the fund. That fund is used to train employees regularly to make them productive and up to date with happenings around the globe, and especially in their line of work. We also have the NITF. The NITF has mandate employers of labor to make contribution on behalf of their employees. These funds are used to cover up for accidents, emergencies that an employer may face in the line of his work. Furthermore, we have the Pension Commission. The Pension Commission is the agency of government which every employer of government is supposed to be registered with. The PenCom regulates pension activities of employers. That is, every contributions made by employers and employees those funds are being managed by PenCom. We also have the Bureau of Procurement. All these compliance and agencies, their aim is to make sure that a business, a company notifies these regulatory agencies of its existence and of its activities, to tell these agencies that, look, yes, we are an active business concern, we are still active and we are still carrying on business. Because so many times businesses or companies just register and fold its arms, doesn't make some certain compliance, which ordinarily makes it in default, not necessarily makes the company not existence. No, in the eyes of those regulatory agencies, you are only inactive, you are not dead, and as such you are in default. So each default carries penalties and fees attached to it. So as a business or company in Nigeria, whichever sector you are, there are two categories of certificate of compliance: those specific to your line of work, your sector, and those generally applicable. Additionally, we also have the SCUML certification, which is the Special Control Unit on Money Laundering, which applies to non-financial institutions. That is, any non-financial institution operating business in Nigeria needs to get a certification from SCUML. What SCUML does basically is to monitor financial inflows and financial transactions of these non-financial sectors. On the other hand, we have financial institutions like the banks, insurance companies. So these financial institutions, what they are not required to get certification from school. Rather, they are required to get a certification by the National Financial Intelligence Unit, the NFIU, which its mandate is to monitor financial transactions of financial institutions in Nigeria. So in conclusion, the moment a company or business is registered in Nigeria, that is just the first step. That's just getting married to regulatory agencies. A company and business relationship with regulatory agency is a lifelong one. It only comes to an end when that company or business is wind up. Thank you very much. See you in the next episode. My name is Ibrahim Majidai. Bye.